Korean alphabet.
한글.
Now, we are going to learn about the Korean alphabet. Please do not memorize it now, just watch the video. I will let you know how to read, write, and memorize them later in the next video. The Korean alphabet includes 24 basic letters, consisting of 14 basic consonant letters and 10 basic vowel letters. Plus, there are 27 complex letters formed by combining the basic letters. 27 complex letters include 5 double consonants, 11 complex consonants used only as final consonants, and 11 complex vowels. Using these letters, we are going to learn how to make syllables and words later. Before that, you should learn how to write and read
한글.
letters. Well then, shall we go learn the Korean alphabet? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like, it would be a great help for me. I will see you in the next video. Take care.
다음에 또 만나요.